The year is 2035 and just imagine this is a small snapshot of your daily life. Every office is now in the hand of AI. Every presentation, every email, every slide, everything is being created by AI. Ask any question in the office and people just start typing. And whatever answer they get is dumped straight to the report and your job is done. Now look at the top 20 songs playing on the Spotify. More than half of them are created by AI. And movies, entire films are made in just few days. Education, that's old news. Now students only need to learn how to operate AI tools according to their task. Meaning in this new era, whatever you need, just type a prompt and the work is done. If I told you this 20 years ago, you would say it is a sci-fi film. But look at 2025, we are already halfway there. We have outsourced our memory to Google and now we are outsourcing our thinking to AI. The question is no longer, will AI take my job? The real question is, will AI take my brain? Today I am going to explain why overuse of AI is leading to a global crisis of digital dementia and how you can save your intelligence before it's too late. Let's start with the basic, the relationship between your brain and the technology. Think about the Google Maps. Before 2010, if you had to go from point A to point B, you remember the route, you looked for the landmarks, your brain was active. A study by McGill University found that people who heavily rely on GPS have reduced activity in the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for the memory and spectacle navigation. They found that just like a muscle, if you don't use it, it shrinks. Now apply this to AI. GPS replaced navigation. AI is replacing thinking. This is called cognitive offloading. We are handing over our mental heavy lifting to a machine. Just like a person who sits on the sofa all day gets physically weak, a brain that sits on AI all day gets cognitively weak. This brings us to the second level, education. We often hear students say, AI just helped me work faster. But does it? A massive study published in 2024 by MIT researcher monitoring students using EEG machine while they are writing essay. The results are terrifying. The student who used ChatGPT to write their essay showed significantly lower brain activity in the area associated with memory and critical thinking. The brain literally flatlined compared to the student who wrote manually. In India, we already have a problem of Ratta Marna. Now we have moved to Prompt Marna. If an engineering student use AI to write their final year code and an MBA student use AI to write their strategy report, they aren't becoming smart workers. They are becoming paper tiger. They have the degree but zero cognitive strength. The deepest level of problem is the truth crisis. If everyone use AI and AI learns from the internet, what happens when the internet is full of AI content? A 2024 paper published in the prestigious journal Nature by researchers at Oxford and Cambridge called this model collapse. Imagine you take a photocopy of a document, then you photocopy the photocopy, then you photocopy that photocopy. By the 10th time, the image is blurry and unreadable. AI works the same way. AI is now learning from the AI. It is becoming an echo chamber of its own hallucination. The Oxford study proved that without human data, AI model eventually go mad and start generating complete nonsense. In India, we joke about WhatsApp University, where fake news spread faster than truth. AI risks becoming the ultimate WhatsApp University. Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI, warned us AI does not know what is truth, it's only know what is probable. This video isn't anti-AI. AI is doing miracle in cancer research and physics. The problem isn't the technology, the problem is dependency. So how do you use AI without losing your mind? Here is the rule. Use AI to start, never to finish. Don't say, write this email for me. Do say, here are my 3 main points, draft an email and I will edit it to sound like me. Don't say, give me an idea for a video. Do say, here is my creative concept, critique it and tell me what I missed. Treat AI like an intern, not a boss. You are the pilot, AI is the co-pilot. If you take your hand off the wheel, you will crash. A calculator didn't replace the mathematician, it just made him faster. But if the mathematician forget how to add, then he is useless without the calculator. In the next 10 years, there will be two types of people. First, those who are used by AI, the consumer. Second, those who use AI, the creator. Next time you open that chat window, ask yourself, am I using this tool to think better, or am I using it to avoid thinking at all? Because in the end, the philosopher Descartes said, I think, therefore I am. If we stop thinking, what does that make us? If you want to keep your brain sharp in the age of AI, hit that subscribe button and comment below, I am the pilot.